How to log in to Frost Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Frost Bank online banking account, then first of all, you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now in the search bar, you have to search for Frost Bank online banking account. And after searching, on the first search, you will have www.frostbank.com. Click on that. And now to log into your account, you will have login option, which is on the upper right corner. But if you want to create an account, then you can go to open an account, which is on the bottom side of login. So now to login, here you have to enter your username on the first blank. And after entering your username, you have to enter your password on the next blank. Or you can also log into these other accounts. So to log into Frost, first enter your username and then your password, and you have to click on login. So that's the way to log into your Frost Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.